Once upon a time, in a small village by an enchanted forest, there lived three sisters. Each one had a very special kind of magic. The eldest sister, Lila, could make flowers bloom with just a touch. Lila, smiling, wake up, little flowers. Time to show your colors. The middle sister, Aria, could call the winds to dance. Aria, giggling, blow, breezes, blow. Spin and twirl with me. And the youngest sister, Nia, could make water sparkle and sing. Nia, softly, shimmer, little stream, sing us a song. But the sisters often argued. Lila, crossing arms, my flowers are the most important. Without them, the world would be dull. Aria, shaking head, no, my winds are strongest. They can move anything. Nia, pouting, you're both wrong. Water is light. My gift is the greatest. One day, something strange happened. The village garden began to wither. The winds grew wild and stormy. The river stopped singing. Villager, worried, oh no. What will we do? Our garden is dying. Each sister tried to fix it alone. But no matter how hard they tried, nothing worked. Lila, sadly, my flowers won't bloom. Aria, sighing, my winds only make things worse. Nia, drooping, my water has lost its song. Finally, the sisters looked at each other and realized maybe their magic was never meant to work alone. Lila, softly, what if we try together? Aria, smiling, yes, let's join our gifts. Nia, nodding, together, we can bring the garden back. And so, the three sisters held hands and used their magic as one. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever. The winds carried sweet scents across the land. And the river sparkled with a beautiful song. Villagers, cheering, hooray! The garden is alive again. From that day on, the sisters never argued again. They learned that magic is strongest when shared with love and kindness. All sisters, together, we can make the world brighter. And so, the sisters lived happily, using their gifts not to compete, but to care for each other, their village, and their magical world. Moral of the story, teamwork and kindness make our gifts shine brighter than pride.